Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. I am whispering because it is 1:30 in the morning, but I gotta get this video recorded. I apologize for being late. I'm redoing my office and my recording room, so I really haven't been able to even get my setup to record. So I kind of got it halfway clean, so now we're here. This is the first cash stuffing for the month of February. We are going to be stuffing $550, and I'll let you guys know any changes or updates as we go along. So without further ado, if you are new, thank you for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And without further ado, let's get into it. The verse of the video is coming from my quiet time devotional. I love this thing. This one is going to be like Jesus. O Lord, give us more charity, more self-denial, more likeness to thee. Teach us to sacrifice our comforts to others and our likings for the sake of doing good. Make us kindly in thought, gentle in word, generous in deed. Teach us that it is better to give than to receive, better to forget ourselves than to put ourselves forward. Better to minister than to be ministered unto. And unto thee, the God of love, be all the glory and praise, both now and forevermore. Amen. So let's get into the video now. Alright, y'all, so they did me dirty. They gave me dirty old money, so we're just going to count and make sure we have enough. So 100, 200, 250, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 510, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 550. They literally gave me their dirtiest money that they had. So gross. Alright, so I've been living this nightlife. I'm now permanent night shift at work, so I'm usually up now because I just can't go to sleep as easily as I used to be able to. So we're gonna start with the wallet. We're gonna do the coins first and then see if I have any dollars. Try to be quiet. We have $2.11. I only have 3 coins, so I think I have some in my jacket pocket, but we'll save that. Save that for another day. $2.62. So our dollar savings challenge. We have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. I really haven't been spending, I've been spending it all, so I haven't had much dollars. That's another thing. Working night shift, I spend more money now online than I do going out, so that's both good and bad. Mostly bad when it comes to Amazon. So gas is going to get $35, 20, 30, 35. I need to get gas soon. Food is going to get 15, 10, 15. Date night has an Applebee's gift card in there, but we're going to be putting 25 in there. 25. And then shopping is going to get 25. We got 25 right there. And then that is it for the wallet. Alrighty, so we're going to go into my high priorities. Birthdays and gifts is going to be getting $10. We have $90 in here, so we should have 100. Let's get a 10, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. My mom's birthday, so I actually need to take some money out of there because I got some stuff already. Car maintenance, as you can see, is all gone. Your girl finally got her brakes done, so I'm putting in $10 and we're just starting all over again. And then this time we'll be saving for my front brakes. I only got the rear brakes done, so now I'm gonna get the front done probably in a few months. Emergency fund has $30. We're adding 10, so we should have 40. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Grad school is getting $250. So I try to write it a little bit differently. In my account, I have $197, and I'm adding in this $250, so we'll have a total of $447, and we are now saving for the summer semester. So we have summer and fall left, and then we're done, okay? So we're getting into this saving. I want to try to do like $400 to $500 a month and then go from there. Medical dental has $55, and we're adding in 10. I do have a doctor's appointment in the middle of March, and then I know I need to get like just like a regular ultrasound for my thyroid. I usually get those like every couple of years. So I have to do that. So I'm sure that will probably cost something. And then I don't know if I have a copay because this is just a yearly, like my annual. So we'll see. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65. I do have to get some blood work. After being pregnant, I haven't gotten any labs done or anything like that. So I asked my doctor if she can write me scripts and stuff so I can get that done before going into my appointment. That way we can like discuss and go over everything in the appointment and see like if there's any changes I need to make as far as like diet, exercise, blood pressure, all that kind of stuff. So I know my doctors probably are like annoyed. I think nurses are the worst patients, but I'm like, yeah, can you throw in some labs in this ultrasound before I come in, because I hate going to the doctors and then they write you all your labs and scripts for after the fact. Like, no, I want to do it before so then we can discuss and go over the results of everything face to face, rather than me trying to tag you down on the phone or you calling me, and then it's just like, I like the face to face. So I will probably always do that now, try to get labs done before or any test before, so then in my annual we can just talk about everything. So that's that. Self-care has $15, and we're adding in 20. As y'all can see, my nails are not done. I did buy some nail polish, so shout out. I forget who said it, but someone commented on my video and I went and I got the nail polish. I don't know if it's, let me see. Okay, the Olive in June. So thank you for putting me on. Target has that, and they actually have like regular nail polish, and then they have stick-ons too. So I got some stick-ons that I'll probably wear when I don't have work, and we'll just see how those go. But I'm just trying to save money on my nails, so I'm gonna try to do some things at home. So 20, 25, 30, 35. I really want to get into trying to learn how to do a lot of things at home, like I mentioned in my last video. Like, everything is just too darn expensive. It's too much. People overcharge. It's just, like, I don't mind paying for my hair, but it is a lot, and I don't know. I can learn how to do something. So Christmas has $20, and it's going to be getting 20. So we should have 40, 20, 30, 35, 40. I still have not filled in any of my trackers, y'all. It's just been rough. Now that I'm working night shift and I'm gonna be on a consistent schedule, maybe now I can like get it together, but we'll see. Vacation is going to be getting $20. There's 90 in here, so we should have 110. So 50, 70, 90, 100, 105, 110. I did find some places, so that search is going well. Sally Mae is not getting anything. this check. Sally Mae will always get, I shouldn't say always, but anytime Sally Mae is going to be stuffed, it'll be the second check of the month. The first month pretty much goes to bills. So now we're going into our low priority. And y'all, I have so much stuff coming. Like, I don't even know what I'm going to do with all this budget stuff. But you guys just stay tuned because I have a whole bunch of stuff that you'll see. Like, new things that I'll be using in my videos and everything. Because a couple people reached out to me. I've been buying stuff. Just a whole ordeal. But hubby has $30. He's going to be getting 10, so it's a total of 40, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Valentine's Day was very nice. It's so cute to see him get my daughter, like our daughter or something. It's really cute. But we usually do Valentine's Day low key. Like, Valentine's Day is every day. We don't need to celebrate Valentine's Day. Like, you can go all extra. Fun money. I went out to dinner, so it's actually empty, and it's just going to be getting $10. We went to a Brazilian steakhouse, and it was really, really good. P.O. Box has 25, and it's going to be getting 5, so we should have 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I apologize if the lighting or the angle or something is messed up or not how it usually is in this video. Like I said, I'm getting the room together. Simplykay has 15 in here, and it's going to be getting 10. So I'll have 25, 10, 20, 25. I need to go get some more white vinyl. You guys are loving the saving challenge bundle set that I have, and you're loving it in the pink and white. So originally I was only going to do the pink and white, but I was like, oh no, let me do another color in case everyone's not like a pink person. But everyone has ordered the pink. So I have black ones just sitting here like wanting to be bought, but everyone is loving the pink, and I can't be mad because the pink is cute. Textbooks isn't getting anything. It has $20 in there. And then giving is empty because we did all the giveaways. And we're going to be adding in 15. The one thing I hate about, which I will think about for future reference, you guys also let me know. Do you prefer like customized gifts where you, like where I basically, I would have to ship it out, like you get it in the mail? Or would you prefer like electronic stuff so you can get it like immediately? I might do a mix of both, but the main issue with my 3,000 subscriber giveaway is just the shipping. Like I had to order stuff for the one, and you know, it just takes a little bit. So I know I like to get my stuff, and I'm really excited when I get stuff or I win something, but the waiting is like, ugh, who wants to wait? But this is a savings challenge, you guys, and this is the popular one. Everyone likes the pink, but I just want to show you guys the black, because if you don't look on my Instagram or anything, you don't even know what it looks like. So I just want to show you because I think it's cute. You can also just get these, like just this. So if you have something else that you want to put in it, like dollars or something, you could just get that too. I have it in white, and I have it in white, and you can get it in black. I just stuffed the black envelopes in here, but you can get black ones or white ones. You can customize what's on here. Someone put their name and their savings, like, but this is the black. I think the black is so like bold and cute. I don't know. And I love pink, but the black is so cute. So I actually might start using the black in my videos to go with. It goes nicely with the binder. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. These are available on my Etsy shop. All that information is always in my description box. If you have any questions or anything about customizing and stuff, you can personalize. Just look on my Etsy shop and just see what you can customize. You can customize what you put on the front. We have done January. January has 20, 40, 50. And so I think I know what I'm going to use some of this money for. But February has nothing in it, and it's just going to be getting this last $50. So now we have $100, and we still have one more check for February. So it's exciting. So we already have 100, but I really want to go to a women's conference this year. So I'm going to be saving for that. So it'll probably only take like 4 envelopes to save for that. But actually, if I stay in the state, I have to fly and hotel and stuff. So we'll see. Depends on how much we save. But I definitely want to use some of that money towards that because that's something that I really want to do. I think that is all that I have for the video. I don't want to ramble. It actually wasn't that long compared to my usual videos, but it's probably because I'm trying to be quiet. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.